अभी तक कोई गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं बनाई है।
He has not made any girlfriend yet.
रितु ने अभी तक अपनी शादी की ड्रेस नहीं डिसाइड की है।
Ritu has not decided her wedding dress yet.
वह अभी तक नहीं नहाया है।
He has not taken a bath yet.
मैंने कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं ले रखी है।
I have not taken any responsibility. I have not taken any responsibility.
मैं उसे पहले कभी नहीं मिला हुआ हूँ।
I have never met him before. I have never met him before.
उन्होंने हमें कभी खाने पर नहीं बुलाया है।
They have never invited us for dinner. They have never invited us for dinner.
उसने मेरे पैसे वापस नहीं करे हैं।
He has not returned my money. He has not returned my money.
उम्मीद है कि वह हमारे पैसे लेकर भाग नहीं गया है।
I hope he has not played with our money. I hope he has not played with our money.
बारिश अभी रुकी नहीं है।
That rain has not stopped yet. That rain has not stopped yet.
तुमने अभी तक बिल नहीं भरा है।
You haven't made the payment yet. You haven't made the payment yet.
फैज़ ने उनको समझाने की कोशिश भी नहीं की है।
Faiz has not even tried to explain them. Faiz has not even tried to explain them.
उसने मुझ पर कोई एहसान नहीं किया है।
He has not done any favor to me. He has not done any favor to me.
उसने पहले कभी फुटबॉल नहीं खेली है।
He has never played football before. He has never played football before.
उस डॉक्टर ने ऐसे केसेस पहले नहीं देखे हुए हैं।
The doctor hasn't dealt with such cases before. The doctor hasn't dealt with such cases before.
उसने अपनी रिटायरमेंट की प्लानिंग नहीं की है।
He hasn't planned for his retirement. He hasn't planned for his retirement.
उसने अभी तक मुझे मैसेज नहीं किया है।
She hasn't dropped me a message yet. She hasn't dropped me a message yet.
मैंने अभी तक छुट्टियों के लिए अप्लाई नहीं किया है।
I haven't applied for leaves yet. I haven't applied for leaves yet.
मैंने शादी की शॉपिंग नहीं की है।
I haven't shopped for the wedding. I haven't shopped for the wedding.
बॉस ने मेरी छुट्टी अलाउ नहीं की है।
Boss hasn't sanctioned my leave. Boss hasn't sanctioned my leave.
मैंने जुकाम की कोई दवाई नहीं ली।
I haven't taken any medicine for cold. I haven't taken any medicine for cold.
किसी ने इस बात पर ध्यान नहीं दिया।
Nobody has noticed this. Nobody has noticed this.
उसने एक भी वादा पूरा नहीं किया है।
He has not fulfilled even one promise. He has not fulfilled even one promise.
क्या उन्होंने तुम्हें माफ़ किया है?
Have they forgiven you? Have they forgiven you?
क्या वह कोई मैसेज छोड़ गए हैं?
Have they left any message? Have they left any message?
क्या वह तुम्हें चाबी दे के गए हैं?
He has given you the keys before leaving. He has given you the keys before leaving.
क्या तुमने टिकट बुक करा दी?
Have you booked the tickets? Have you booked the tickets?
क्या तुमने पिक्चर देख ली?
Have you seen the movie? Have you seen the movie?
क्या उसने होमवर्क खत्म कर लिया?
Has he completed the homework? Has he completed the homework?
क्या तुमने कोई जिम ज्वाइन किया है?
Have you joined any gym? Have you joined any gym?
क्या तुमने कभी तंदूरी मोमोज खाए हैं?
Have you ever tried tandoori momos? Have you ever tried tandoori momos?
क्या तुम चाबियां घर भूल आए हो?
Have you forgotten the keys at home? Have you forgotten the keys at home?
क्या उसने तुम्हें पार्टी पर बुलाया है?
Has she invited you to the party? Has she invited you to the party?
क्या वह तुम्हारा बर्थडे भूल गया है?
Has he forgotten your birthday? Has he forgotten your birthday?
क्या तुमने उसके जन्मदिन पर कोई तोहफा दिया है?
Have you gifted him anything on his birthday? Have you gifted him anything on his birthday?
क्या तुमने कमरा साफ कर दिया?
Have you cleaned the room? Have you cleaned the room?
क्या उसने तुम्हें छोड़ने का फैसला लिया है?
Has she decided to leave him? Has she decided to leave you?
क्या तुम अपना खाना लाए हो?
Have you brought your lunch? Have you brought your lunch?
क्या तुम मेरा नाम भूल गए हो?
Have you forgotten my name? Have you forgotten my name?
क्या तुमने भी वह चैप्टर छोड़ा है?
Have you also skipped that chapter? Have you also skipped that chapter?
क्या उसने तुम्हें किसी और के साथ देख लिया?
Has she seen you with somebody else? Has she seen you with somebody else?
क्या तुमने उसे अपने अतीत के बारे में बताया?
Have you told him about your past? Have you told him about your past?
क्या तुमने इसका नतीजा पहले नहीं सोचा था?
Have you not thought of the consequence before?
क्या तुमने उसे मिठाई लाने को बोला है?
Have you asked him to bring the sweets? Have you asked him to bring the sweets?
क्या तुमने इसके बारे में पहले सोचा था?
Have you thought about it before? Have you thought about it before?
क्या तुमने नाम डिसाइड कर लिया?
Have you decided the name? Have you decided the name?
क्या तुमने पुलिस को बता दिया?
Have you informed the police? Have you informed the police?
क्या तुमने सिलेबस खत्म कर लिया है?
Have you completed the syllabus? Have you completed the syllabus?
क्या उसने तुमसे कभी झूठ बोला है?
Has he ever lied to you? Has he ever lied to you?
क्या उसने तुम्हें धमकाया है?
Has he threatened you? Has he threatened you?
क्या उसे इस कंपनी में 1 साल हो गया?
Has he completed a year in his company? Has he completed a year in this company?
क्या अपने इस वीडियो में नए वर्ड सीखे हैं?
Have you learned new words in this video? Have you learned new words in this video?
क्या आपने इस वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर किया है?
Have you like, comment and shared this video? Have you like, comment and shared this video?
मैंने अपने टाइम में बड़ों के चक्के छुड़ाए थे।
I had defeated many big players during my time.
आज मेरा पैर मुड़ गया था।
I had twisted my ankle today.
मैंने नाश्ते में सैंडविच खाया था।
I had had sandwich in breakfast. I had had sandwich in breakfast.
कल हम ऑफिस पार्टी के लिए किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गए थे।
Yesterday we had gone to some restaurant for office party.
मैं तुम्हारा फ़ोन रिचार्ज करवा चुका था।
I had already recharged your phone. I had already recharged your phone.
मैं घर पर बिना बताए प्रिया से मिलने चला गया था।
I had gone to meet Priya without informing at home.
जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया था तब तक तुम्हारा कुरियर आ चुका था।
When you called up, your courier had already arrived.
अगर तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी होती तो आज हम इस हाल में ना होते।
If you had listened to me, we would not have been in this state today.
वह शादी के कार्ड बांट चुके थे।
They had distributed the wedding cards. They had distributed the wedding cards.
मैं टिकट बुक करा चुका था।
I had booked the tickets. I had booked the tickets.
मैं उससे बुक वापस कर आया था। मैं उसे बुक वापस कर आया था।
I had returned the book to him. I had returned the book to him.
मैं बैंक में पैसे जमा करवाया था।
I had deposited the money in bank. I had deposited the money in bank.
मैं फुटबॉल टीम में अपना नाम लिखवा आया था।
I had got my name registered in the football team.
मैंने यह शर्ट काफ़ी पहले खरीदी थी।
I had purchased this shirt long back. I had purchased this shirt long back.
मैंने तुम्हारे बर्थडे की सारी फ़ोटोज़ खींची थी।
I had clicked all your birthday's pictures. I had clicked all your birthday's pictures.
वह 12वीं में फेल हो गया था।
He had failed in 12th. He had failed in 12th.
पिछले साल मैं नैनीताल घूमने गया था।
Last year I had gone to Nainital for a vacation.
कॉलेज ख़त्म होने के बाद वह मुंबई चला गया था।
He had moved to Mumbai after finishing his college.
उसने मुझे ये बात अपने तक ही रखने को कही थी, पर फिर भी मैंने तुम्हें बता दिया।
He had asked me to keep this to myself, but I still told you.
मैंने बिना अटैचमेंट के ही मेल भेज दिया था।
I had sent the mail without the attachment. I had sent the mail without the attachment.
वह तो कब का वहाँ पहुँच गया था।
He had reached there long back. He had reached there long back.
शादी पर जाने से पहले मैं सारे काम ख़त्म कर चुका था।
Before going to the wedding, I had completed all my work.
ओवर खत्म होने से पहले ही मैंने उससे आउट कर दिया था।
I had knocked him out before completing the over.
मेरा चार्जर घर रह गया था।
I had left my charger at home.
आगरा में मैंने अपना कैमरा गुमा दिया था।
I had lost my camera in Agra. I had lost my camera in Agra.
उसने शराब बहुत ज़्यादा पी ली थी।
He had consumed a lot of alcohol. He had consumed a lot of alcohol.
साइमा ने एग्ज़ाम दिया था।
Saima had appeared for the exam.
मेरे पहुंचने से पहले तुम जा चुके थे।
You had left before I reached. You had left before I reached.
उन्होंने घर की मरम्मत करवाई थी।
They had renovated their house. They had renovated their house.
करीम ने मुझे कुछ पैसे उधार दिए थे।
Karim had lent me some money. Karim had lent me some money.
मैंने राहुल के घर जाना छोड़ दिया था।
I had stopped going to Rahul's place. I had stopped going to Rahul's place.
उन्होंने हमें डिनर पर बुलाया था।
They had invited us for dinner. They had invited us for dinner.
मैं इतना टाइम बाहर का खाना खाने से बचा रहा था।
I had avoided eating outside for a long time. I had avoided eating outside for a long time.
बीमार पड़ने की वजह से मेरी जॉब चली गई थी।
I had lost my job because of falling ill. I had lost my job because of falling ill.
कंपनी वालों ने किसी और को पहले से ही सिलेक्ट कर रखा था।
The company had already selected someone else. The company had already selected someone else.
मैंने पहले ही बोला था यह होगा।
I had already told you that this would happen. I had already told you that this would happen.
वह किसी और के साथ भाग गई थी।
She had played with someone else. She had played with someone else.
विकास ने बहुत पहले ही सीमा को छोड़ दिया था।
Vikas had left Seema long back. Vikas had left Seema long back.
मैं आज अपनी किताब घर ही भूल आया था।
I had forgotten my books at home. I had forgotten my books at home.
प्रीति ने कल बहुत स्वाद खाना बनाया था।
Preeti had cooked delicious food yesterday. Preeti had cooked delicious food yesterday.
मैं कल
5 मंजिल चढ़ के गया था क्योंकि कल लिफ्ट नहीं चल रही थी. Yesterday I had climbed 5 stairs as the lift was not working.